July 10th, 2014. Again, no rain. No rain in a few days. We're averaging once every 7 to 9 days rain. We have had heavy winds, which are causing damage to some of our pitaya. So we stopped the mandarin cleanup for this morning, and we're going to have to re-tidy up some of these pitaya plants. I took a movie yesterday of a tree that was hit by lightning and just smashed into quite a few plantain trees. Well, 4 or 5. You can see the winds around here, and this is really relatively mild as to what it's been